Today I'm going to be checking out this outdoor bench that was sent to us so we can do the review. It's a nice rainy day. Let's use it to put this together. All right, these are all the pieces that come with it. Looks like it even comes with the tools. I did accidentally get the manual wet, but that's my fault. It looks really nice so far. This is the front porch I plan on keeping this on. So let's get it put together and see how well it works. All right, this has been about 5 minutes. This thing is super easy to put together. Just follow the instructions. It has stickers on each panel so you know which panel goes where, and the manual tells you exactly what panels go to what. Key there is if you read the very first page of the manual, it says to just put everything in halfway. Don't tighten anything down, so that way everything will line up as you go, and then once it's lined up, you just come back and tighten it all the way in. So I'm gonna flip this thing over, get it finished, and let you see what it looks like. All right, it's all put together. Let me go over a few features on this and a couple things that you might run into when you're putting it together that might help out. So it's very nice. It holds me. I'm about 220 pounds and it looks like it'll hold me no problem. It will fit about 1.5 me, I'd say, comfortably. You could fit 2 of me on this, but it's a little small for 2 big adults. So it's comfortable for 1 person, especially if you have it against something like a back rail where you can lean against. The cushion is nice, but it does not connect to this. So if you have some place where you're going to lose cushions like this with a lot of wind, you'll probably have to put it inside the bench when you're not using it. The lid can be a little tricky when putting it together. Reason I'm saying that is because it didn't really point out well which of these sides goes where. You're going to need to look for the hole on the side right here, because that side needs to match up with the hinges on the back, because that's where the shock goes. So when you're putting it together, make sure whatever ends up being on the sides with the little hole, that it does go to the piece that has the hinge on it, so that way you don't have a problem with it when you get it put together. The rest of it all goes together really simple. Only other thing I would say is it comes with an Allen key. You may want to have like a ratchet with an Allen key. You could put those things in a lot quicker than just a Allen key by hand, but all in all, great bench. Looks like it's really going to hold up to the weather. It's going to do exactly what we want to do, which we wanted a place on our porch where we could put all of our shoes, and then we can just shut the lid and also have a place to sit. So it's dual purpose. It's going to work out great for what we want to do. I like it. I think you'll like it, and I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.